am a student. I 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 am a student.
I am a teacher. Every day I'm faced with the problem of trying to meet all of these students' needs, trying to provide them with an environment where they can reach their highest potential. My students have many diverse needs. There are gifted students, autistic students, students with ADD, behavior struggles, learning disabilities, ELL students, and others, all in the same classroom. How am I going to meet the needs of all these students?
Technology has provided teachers with opportunities for students to express their creativity and seek after knowledge while meeting their diverse needs. One such tool is website creation. Through this medium, students can use their unique gifting to contribute to a group website. This video is going to introduce you to a free and easy to use website creation tool that you can implement in your classroom. To use this tool in your classroom, you will need access to at least one computer with internet connection for each group of students.
Students can start their website by going to www.google.com/sites. They will need to sign in with a Google account. You may want to provide your class with a Classroom Google account so that they don't have to set up accounts themselves. Once signed in, students should click on Create New Site. This will bring them to a page where they can choose a site template. We have selected Classroom Site for our example, and name their site. Next, students will be able to choose a theme. Google provides many different theme options so that your students can express what they want through their choices. We have selected Schoolhouse. Finally, students should open the More Options tab. Here, they can add a site description. Students should check the second option under the Share With category so that their website is not available to anyone on the internet. This will help keep students safe while they are online. Lastly, type in the code and click Create Site.
Now students can edit their own website, add pages, information, links, and pictures. By clicking Edit Page on the top, students can add words and pictures to their website. There are the basic word processing functions available, such as different fonts, font sizes, bold, italicizing, underlining, changing font colors, and others.
Clicking the More Actions button will allow students to access their revision history, subscribe to page changes, adjust page settings to allow comments or attachments, print their page, move pages, delete pages, preview the page as a viewer, save as page template, change page template, subscribe to site changes, manage the site, and share the site.
This last option, Share the Site, is important because students will need to use it to invite others to view their site. Clicking on this will let students invite others by typing in their email addresses.
For visual learners, website design is helpful because it incorporates pictures and graphics into the learning process. For students with ADHD, the website project allows them to use their creative energies to further the group. Gifted students are allowed to go as in-depth as they want with the website project and are not going to feel restrained by needing to stay within the specified course material. Audio learners are given the opportunity to add video or sound clips to their websites. A website project also helps teach LD students because it can be altered to fit their pace and their skill level while still challenging them as they work with their group members. Linguistically inclined will be able to use their skills with words to communicate and summarize material for the website. Logical or mathematical students will be able to work with the flow of the website to make sure that it all makes sense and works together cohesively. As you can see, the range of students reached by a project like this is extensive.
This website creation project also allows students to reach the highest level of Bloom's taxonomy, creation. Beyond that, this project is good for students to work on in a cooperative setting. The group work will allow each student to work within their own individual intelligences so that they can learn in their strongest way. It will also help students develop interpersonal and communication skills as they work together.
This type of project can be incorporated into almost any content area. Whenever more in-depth study is wanted in a particular area, this project is beneficial. For example, in social studies class, you may have students work in groups to create a website about a specific country. It can be used over the course of an entire semester where students can revisit and edit their websites over time, or it can be used as a one-time project. This tool is a flexible and versatile tool that can be used to meet your individual content area's standards and each individual student's needs.